Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Nutrabolics Semtex Fat Burning Incinerator. So this comes with 60 vegan capsules and this is going to get you ripped like a Semtex grenade. That didn't make a whole lot of sense, but it sounded better in my head. It's going to blow up, give you the gains you want. So in one of these capsules it contains 200 milligrams of Dendrobium nobile, which is a type of flower. It has 100 milligrams of caffeine anhydrous, which is one of the best fat-burning ingredients in the world. Just regular caffeine. So it gives you 100 milligrams, which is great because it's not too much, not too little. 100 milligrams of theobroma cacao, which contains a little bit of caffeine as well. And 66.7 milligrams of red pepper powder, 66.7 milligrams of theacrine, 33 milligrams of bitter orange, which has 30% synephrine, and 20 milligrams of 2-phenylethylamine. Jeez, that was a long word there. Has a few different non-medical ingredients here, but the suggested use of the Semtex Fat Burner is to take one capsule daily as needed. We suggest the best times are in the morning or with a meal or within 1 hour before training. For best results, combine with a diet and exercise program. And that's true. For a fat burner to be mostly utilized, you want to be working out and dieting as well. Taking one of these while eating a bunch of crap is not going to get you the great results that you want. Now, Semtex Fat Burner is a good quality fat burner because it's got a lot of good ingredients that are going to help boost your metabolism a little bit, while not giving you like the jitters or anything that some other fat burners might give you. With only 100 milligrams of caffeine, that's an effective dose without being too high. And there's a lot of different cautions and warnings on here. With anything, you should always contact your healthcare practitioner or doctor before taking anything like this. And this helps to temporarily relieve fatigue and to promote endurance and enhance motor performance. Traditionally used in herbal medicine to aid digestion, and traditionally used in herbal medicine helps support peripheral circulation. So it's going to get your blood pumping, get your calories burning a little bit more, and help boost up the metabolism. One of the nice things about Nutrabolics is it's all made in Canada. Really great company, really great products. I like it a lot. I've used the Semtex before, and I found that it's been a pretty good fat burner for me because it gives you enough caffeine to get you to obviously the effects you want from it, but it also has a few other things that aren't going to be too detrimental to your health. They're all pretty decent ingredients, and it's pretty easy to remember. Take one pill in the morning, and it kind of is like a coffee in the morning with an added boosted effect of getting you a little bit more fat loss. So really nice. Nutrabolics, great quality products. So go check them out. I'll give the Semtex Fat Burning Incinerator an 8 out of 10. Pretty good fat burner for what it's worth. 100 milligrams of caffeine, 100 milligrams of theobromine, 66 milligrams of theacrine. It's got a lot of good stuff in there, so go check it out. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.